UMS Flowell. Performance under pressure. Here we see the UMS Flowell sliding sleeve, located in the tool string, prior to running in the hole. The current orientation of the string, relative to the MLE cable, is such that the MLE cable is covering the sliding sleeve flow ports. This would result in accelerated erosion of the MLE cable, due to its exposure to the well fluids draining from the string. This problem can be eliminated by orientating the anti-erosion sleeve, so that its port-free blank section is in alignment with the MLE cable. To reorientate the anti-erosion sleeve, remove each of the socket head screws that are currently holding it in position. With the screws removed, rotate the sleeve so that the unported section is in line with the MLE cable. Reinstall the socket head screws to secure the anti-erosion sleeve in position. The MLE cable can now be secured to the body of the sliding sleeve with ESP bands. The string can now be run in the hole. Here we see the sliding sleeve in the closed position, with production to surface flowing up the tubing. The opening sleeve is currently locked in position via collet fingers. As we can see, the flow ports are currently covered by the opening sleeve. When the ESP is switched off, a check valve below the sliding sleeve closes to protect the ESP from backflow. The remaining fluid within the production tubing can then be drained by moving the sliding sleeve to the open position. This is done via the sliding sleeve shifting tool. Once the shifting tool reaches the bottom of the sliding sleeve, it collects the opening sleeve, which strokes the tool to the open position. Well fluid flows out the open ports, emptying the remaining fluids from the production tubing. For more information about the UMS Flowell sliding sleeve, please email sales@umsflowell.com or visit our website.